very first reaction, the response that has come in from Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, 9 days later, he has finally spoken up. Now, through the news agency PTI, there is a quote that we are just putting out on our screens right now, where Arvind Kejriwal says he wants a thorough and a fair probe. He says we should probe both the versions. So this really tells you it is a Chief Minister under immense pressure. Arvind Kejriwal forced to speak up finally. We also have Tejshri who's joining us live right now, and we'll get her quickly on the broadcast with us. Tejshri, Arvind Kejriwal has been forced to speak up is what many would say. Now, even when he speaks up, he leaves that ambiguity. You know, he does not say that he stands with the version of Swati Maliwal, something that Sanjay Singh had, stuck to in the first go. He's leaving a lot of room for doubt, trying to say perhaps that there are a lot of aspersions being cast still on the version that was put out by Swati Maliwal.
Yes, this is the first time the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, at whose residence this entire incident took place on 13th of May at 9 a.m. when Swati Maliwal entered his residence. Since then, till now, it is the first time that Arvind Kejriwal has spoken or commented on this entire matter, particularly because earlier he had commented, but he had commented directly on Vibhav's arrest. And this time, remember that the way on which he is coming out with the comments, he's stating this entire issue. It seems like he's sailing on both the boats. Neither he is supporting Swati Maliwal nor he is saying that whatever has happened is condemnable, or neither he is saying that action will be taken on Vibhav Kumar, or what Sanjay Singh, the Rajya Sabha MP from Aam Aadmi Party, had said after 48 hours this incident took place. That strict action
one
will
would
be
wonder
taken.
that if this is what Arvind Kejriwal really had to say, why did it take Arvind Kejriwal so long to even break his silence? Because he hasn't said anything. Sanjay Singh had actually told us that there's going to be action against Vibhav. That did not happen. For the longest time, the Chief Minister continued to remain silent, Tejshri. So does this really help in any kind of damage control, or this complicates the matter further for him?
Well, this will certainly complicate the matter rather than damage control, because Aam Aadmi Party has been giving very selective answers as far as this entire case is concerned. And what we are expecting is that Swati Maliwal will certainly react to this particular statement of Arvind Kejriwal, because as you rightly pointed out, there must be some kind of pressure on Arvind Kejriwal also, because the kind of comments that Aam Aadmi Party has been making since then, raising questions on Swati Maliwal, coming out with the press conference saying that we will come out with Swati Maliwal ka sach, and also connecting it with the BJP's conspiracy. So there must be some kind of pressure why Arvind Kejriwal had to come with such kind of statements. We'll have to wait for Swati Maliwal's reaction on this.
Absolutely.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.